Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone your voice using AI. So first of all, open your browser, then go to Play HD, click enter. Now go here. Now first you will have to create yourself an account using your Gmail, and once you're done with that process, click on Go to Studio. Now once you're in the editor, click on this voice cloning option. Click on Create a new one and choose this instant option. Now enter your voice name. You can name it anything, like let's say I'm gonna name it Hi. You can choose gender as well. Now here you will have to upload your voice recording of 30 seconds or more. I already have my voice recorded for 30 seconds or more, but you will have to do that. Now once the audio has been recorded, click on this button and just select that file and click on open. Now once the audio has been uploaded, click on this box and tick it and click on create, and your voice will be cloned. Now once your voice has been cloned, click on this use button and now type here a script. I already have a script from ChatGPT, so I'm just gonna paste it here. And now just click on this button, play button.
In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, one concept has risen to the forefront, captivating the minds of innovators and futurists alike: artificial intelligence, or AI, a groundbreaking fusion of human and AI is transforming the way we live, work.
Now after hearing your A clone voice, you can click on this regenerate button to create multiple samples and select the one you want. And after your voiceover is done, click on this export button and save this as an audio file from there. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use AI to clone your voice. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.